A very good morning, children. I wish you all to have a marvelous Monday. Today, we are going to start our second lesson. Our second lesson is Towards History. In this lesson, we are going to know about the Stone Age and can understand the nature of human evolution, which means the gradual process of change or a development. Then can understand the human nomadic life. Nomad means someone who lives by moving from one place to another. So, nomadic life means a people's life that has no permanent place to live but moves around the world. Before getting into the lesson, we should know what is history. History means the study of past, particularly how it relates to human. History is the word derived from the Greek word historia, which means the study of past. Now, we are going to discuss about Stone Age. So, in the beginning, humans were not aware of metals. Metal means a hard and shiny solid substance. They took many years to discover metals. Our lives today, that is, our today's life is their gift. And also during Stone Age period, humans were not aware of scripts, which means a system of writing. They don't know to write. The Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as weapon. So, what is Stone Age, children? A Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as weapon. Then, the nature of evolution, which means I have told you in the beginning the gradual process of change or else the gradual development. Early humans were lived in jungles. What is jungles, children? Yes, early humans were lived in forest along with the animals and they used stone tools to protect themselves. I told you already they used stones as their weapons. So they use stone tools to drive away the animals, to dig out roots and to shoots and etc. And the most important thing is they ate everything raw, including flesh, because they didn't even know the use of fire in the beginning. At first, the dog was their good companion because when the dog barks, wild animals will run away. So, dog was the first pet animal. Which was the first pet animal, children? Yes, it was dog. They took dogs wherever they went. Wherever they used to go, they will go with the companion of dog. Later, they started rearing cattle, which means there will be two types of animals, one group for food needs like milk and another for labor purpose like irrigation, and they were very useful to them. Then they observed some grains growing along the riverside and they decided to eat that grains. They ate and found them very tasty. And also they observed the scattered grains were eaten up by birds. As they were keen observers, they found the grains grow with the help of sunshine and rainfall. The grains grow with the help of, yes, sunshine and rainfall. Thus, they learned the art of cultivation. So, because of this, they learned the art of cultivation. Then, they noticed the forest fire. Due to that fire, they found some animals died. At first, they were afraid of fire, but then they started eating the flesh of burnt animals and it tasted good. I have told you already, children, they were very good observers. So, they also observed that the spark came out by scratching two stones together. The spark came out by scratching two stones together. From then, they started to cook and they ate cooked food. The final information of today, children, that is the early man used quartzite stone for making tools and weapons and used flint stone to produce fire. So, quartzite stone for making tools and weapons and flint stone to produce fire. Okay, children, let's have a small recap. So, what is history? History means the study of past, particularly how it relates to human. Then, Stone Age. Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as weapon. So, they took many years to discover metals, and the early humans were not aware of script, which means a system of writing. Then we are going to see the gradual development of early human. So, early humans lived in forest along with animals, and they used stone tools to protect themselves from wild animals, and dog was their first pet. Wherever they went, they took dogs with them. Then they started rearing cattle, which means there will be two types of animals, one group for food needs and another for labor purpose. And I have told you already, they were very good observers. Then they observed that the grains grow with the help of sunshine and rainfall. Then they noticed the forest fire. Due to that fire, many animals died. Initially, they were afraid of fire, but then they tasted the flesh of the burnt animals. From then, they started to eat a cooked food. And also, they observed that the spark came out by scratching two stones together. And then the final information, that is the early man used quartzite stone for making tools and weapons and flint stone to produce fire. I hope you all have understood, children. Remaining we'll see tomorrow. Thank you all. See you.